Welcome to this episode of the Revised Science with Me series. This video will coach you to make and use an interactive revision tool to recall how our atmosphere evolved. This is to help with your memory in preparation for your exams. I will coach you by giving you simple instructions and opportunities to pause the video whilst you can get things done. The Cornell note-taking method is one that makes you think before putting notes onto paper, and you have to put your notes down in various sections of the paper. For this session, you will need 20 minutes of peace and quiet and a desk to work, lined paper, pens and highlighters to help you when you're writing, ruler to draw lines, sticky notes, which are optional really, but I prefer them, and a source of information such as your science exercise book from school, a revision guide of the appropriate tier and exam board, course textbook, exam mark scheme from a relevant exam question, or any other relevant source of information. You can visit the products page on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website for all the equipment you may need in one place. You can also watch my video on the Cornell note-taking method on my metacognition playlist for more information about how this method works. If you need to get the equipment that I've just mentioned, you can press the pause button now to go and collect it. Step 1. Divide your sheet of lined paper into 4 sections as shown in the diagram. Press the pause button to complete this. Step 2. At the top, you will have to put a clear title and date. Press the pause button now to complete this. Step 3, in the main body of the sheet, you will make your notes. You will be reducing and transforming the information from your source of information, such as your course textbook, revision guide, video clip, lecture, lesson, etc., into key points. Press the pause button now so you can complete this. Step 4, the key bit is the margin on the left of the main body. This section is where you will categorize and connect your key points to keywords or clues or questions to help you remember the detail of the key points in the main body. Press the pause button now to complete this. Step 5, once you've completed this, you can now cover the key points with a bit of card or paper if you can recall the information using only the keywords or clues that you have listed on your left-hand margin. You've now made the interactive revision tool, in this case Cornell Notes. This should not have taken you more than 20 minutes to create, but now that you've made it, you can use it repeatedly to help you remember how the Earth's atmosphere evolved. Making this is revision in and of itself, so it's valuable revision you've just done. You are reviewing the source material and interacting with it as you read, reduce, and transform the notes on the atmosphere's evolution. Spend another 20-minute revision session trying to recall those key points from the main body of the Cornell notes. The summary section at the bottom is there for you to review what you've learned or remembered. Personally, I think this section is only useful if you can add to it every time you go back to the Cornell notes in retrieval practice. Therefore, I would advise you to write your summary on a sticky note that can be replaced every time you reuse the Cornell notes, and you can check to see what you remembered last time. Reuse this interactive revision tool for as many times as possible before your exam. You can watch my video on revision cycles in the metacognition playlist for more information about how this technique is beneficial for your memory. And if you haven't already put together a revision timetable, you should get that done. And I have a template that you can edit on the sciencerevisioncoach.org website. You should now remember how the main gases in our atmosphere have changed over time if you've used the revision tool as I have described. Remember to follow this up with past paper exam questions, questions of your own, and you can find past paper exam questions online, and I've included a link in the description that can help you with this. You can also see how I approach extended writing in an exam question on this topic in one of my other videos. Good luck.